Hello Year 9, so here is our lesson for today. We're going to take a look at sequences again, but in this case we're going to take a look at trying to come up with a rule to get from term to term. So the first one here, can you take a second? Please make sure you're pausing the video to write things down if you ever need to, but here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this one first, and then hopefully you can do the next one after. I need to describe the rule for each sequence. First thing I'm going to take a look at is I can see that each number is increasing every term, which means we're possibly adding something or multiplying something. I'm going to check for addition first. So I know that 7 plus, think about 7 plus what would get me to 16. Now I'm thinking not, if I add 9 on, I get 16. So that's where this number comes from. So the real question is, if I add 9 to 16, do I get 25? 16 plus 9 is 25. And if you continue, it works for every single term. So if I wanted to describe this sequence, I would say add 9 is the term to term rule. Okay, can you take a second and please pause the video to attempt this question? Can you please tell me what the term to term rule is for this one? All right, so let's take a look and see what you got. Hopefully this is the correct answer that you have gotten. I'm noticing again, it's increasing each term. So let's check for addition. 7 plus what is 25? Let's think. Well, 7 plus 7 plus 20 would be 27. So why don't we go 2 less than that, which would be 18. So 7 plus 18 is 25. Let's see if it keeps working. Is 25 plus 18, 43. Well, I know that 8 plus 5 is 13. Carry the 1, which would in fact get us 43. So this rule would be to add 18, and hopefully that's what you got. Here's what I want to do. I want to finish with this one. So again, describing the rule for each sequence, but then giving the next 3 terms in the sequence. So let's first come up with a rule. I'm noticing for this one that it's decreasing, so let's check for subtraction. 43 take away 34. What's the difference between the first 2 terms in the sequence? Looks like we'll have to carry here, and we get 9. So the question is, can you subtract 9 every single time? So we'll do 34 minus 9, and we do in fact get 25. So this rule is to subtract 9 each time. But this one also wants me to come up with the next 3. So let's come up with the next 3 by subtracting 9. So if we take 9 off the last term of 16, we end up getting 7. If we do 7 minus 9, we're going to go into the negatives by 2, it looks like, so negative 2. And then if we have negative 2, take 9 more away, think 9, 10, 11, so we're at negative 11. So here would be your final solution, the next 3 terms in the sequence, and then the rule of subtracting 9. Here's your final question that I need you to answer on Firefly. Can you please try and find me the rule and the next 3 terms of this sequence?